Hi guys, this is Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz, business immigration attorney. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what does it mean to invest substantial amount of capital. Because if you're applying for E2, recently we had these questions, repeating question, what does it mean to invest substantial amount of capital? What is it substantial? And I'm going to explain what is a substantial amount and what is the minimum amount you can basically invest and get approved E2 visa. So let's start. If you are applying for E2, you are from a treaty country, you are investing substantial amount of capital into business that is not marginal, meaning it's going to generate more than minimum living expenses of yourself and your family, then you're good to go. So basically, substantial is very relative term. It means that in proportion to the business you're creating, it must be substantial. So for example, let's say you are opening a restaurant. In order to open a restaurant, you need the capital at least of $150,000. So you are going to invest $100,000 or $120,000. So this capital, it is substantial amount that you are about to invest in order to start running this business. It is substantial to the proportion of the overall investment, at the same time to the particular business model opening a restaurant. Now, of course, it depends what is the location. Some locations, if you invest 150, it's not enough. So it really depends on the location, obviously, geographic location, if you're buying existing restaurant or you're starting from the scratch. So these are all the factors you have to take into consideration. However, substantial means that is substantial in proportion to the business model. At the same time, you invested substantially, meaning enough so you can start this business and you're going to manage this business actively. So what does it actually mean? So if you're starting a small shop, you can get away with 50,000. If you're doing salon, 50,000 would be good. For example, if you're doing a startup and you are planning to raise money later on, you can start the company with 50,000, but later on, if you are going to raise capital, make sure that if you're doing startup, make sure that you have you at least are in the initial phase and the business is up and running. Because some startups, there is a phase 1, 2, 3. So at least be in the phase number 1. So the company is up and running, you are managing the company and you have invested enough so you can actually start running the business. Of course, later on you can invest more money and it's your job to keep investing in order to get extension of the visa, because this is just a temporary visa and later on you need to show that you actually paying taxes and you keep generating income and you keep reinvesting more and more into your own company. So substantial can be anywhere. It can be anywhere from 50,000 to 100,000, anywhere from 50 to 200,000, 250. It really depends. So I hope this helps you and you understand that you don't have to be a millionaire, you don't have to invest 500,000, you don't have to invest millions, you don't have to hire anybody, and you can still get successfully approved E2 visa. Now, if you guys have any questions, please leave them below this video and I'm gonna answer them for you. And if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, share it with people who are looking for this information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can receive weekly updates. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.